Show the family a great time with a camping trip. Camping is a great way to spend time alone or with a large group. Being in nature can be a very soothing and relaxing experience, and camping can offer that. If you are looking for tips on how to make your next trip a relaxing one, this video can help. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. You will get dirty. If you are mentally prepared for this experience ahead of time, you can relieve the cause for a lot of stress when it does happen. Have fun and go with the moment rather than stressing and worrying about it. When you return home, make sure to stay as organized as possible. With camping, comes the campfire. Make sure your campfire is in an open space and far enough away from brush or trees so you don't run the risk of a stray spark catching them on fire. Surround the fire with stones to help keep it contained. Most importantly, never leave any campfire unattended. If you need to leave for any reason, make sure the campfire is extinguished completely. If you are using a tent for camping, put a great deal of thought into buying your tent. Consider the climate. Consider your price range. How often will you be using this tent? You don't want to buy a tent that won't be able to stand up to the elements. At the same time, you don't need to pay a fortune for a tent you plan to only use once. You can make camping a fun and relaxing way to spend some time out in nature and enjoy all that it has to offer. Use the helpful tips shared in this video and you will have the time of your life next time you go on a camping adventure. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.